Welcome to Purely Health Tips. In today's video, we'll explore how meditation can significantly boost your mental health. If you've been curious about meditation but don't know where to start, or if you're looking to deepen your practice, this guide is for you. We'll cover the mental health benefits of meditation, provide a step-by-step approach to beginning your meditation practice, and offer practical tips to make meditation a consistent and rewarding part of your daily routine. Stay tuned to discover how just a few minutes a day can transform your mind and well-being. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice where an individual uses techniques such as mindfulness, focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. While meditation has its roots in ancient spiritual traditions, it has become widely adopted as a powerful tool for mental health and well-being. The mental health benefits of meditation. Meditation is more than just a way to relax. It has a profound impact on your mental health. Here are some of the key benefits. Reduces stress. Meditation helps to lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. By calming the mind and focusing on the present moment, meditation can significantly reduce stress and its physical effects on the body. Decreases anxiety. Regular meditation has been shown to decrease symptoms of anxiety. By learning to observe your thoughts without judgment, you can break the cycle of worry and anxiety that often dominates the mind. Improves focus and concentration. Meditation trains the brain to stay focused on a single task, improving your ability to concentrate in daily life. This heightened focus can lead to better productivity and a greater sense of accomplishment. Enhances emotional health. Meditation encourages a positive outlook on life. By practicing mindfulness, you become more aware of negative thoughts and emotions, allowing you to address them before they spiral out of control. Boosts self-awareness. Meditation can help you develop a stronger understanding of yourself. By spending time in quiet reflection, you gain insight into your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Promotes better sleep. Struggling with insomnia or restless sleep. Meditation can help by calming the mind and reducing the mental chatter that often keeps us awake at night. Supports emotional resilience. Meditation helps to build emotional resilience by teaching you how to respond to life's challenges with calmness and clarity. Over time, this practice can lead to a more balanced and stable emotional life. How to get started with meditation. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This can be a corner of your room, a cozy chair, or even a spot outside in nature. The important thing is that you feel relaxed and at ease. Set a time limit. If you're new to meditation, start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase the time. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then, let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Observe your thoughts. Meditation isn't about clearing your mind of all thoughts. Instead, it's about observing your thoughts without judgment. When thoughts arise, notice them, and then let them go, returning your focus to your breath. Use a guided meditation. If you find it difficult to meditate on your own, try using a guided meditation app or video. There are many resources available that can walk you through the process and keep you focused. Be consistent. Like any skill, meditation takes practice. Try to meditate at the same time each day to build a routine. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of meditation. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Restlessness and discomfort. It's common to feel restless or uncomfortable when you first start meditating. To combat this, try different seating positions or use a cushion to support your posture. Remember, it's okay to move and adjust your position during meditation. Mind wandering. A wandering mind is completely normal, especially for beginners. When you notice your mind drifting, gently guide it back to your breath. Over time, you'll find it easier to maintain focus. Lack of time. If you're struggling to find time to meditate, start with just a few minutes each day. You can even incorporate meditation into your daily routine by practicing mindfulness while walking, eating, or doing other activities. Impatience. Many people expect immediate results from meditation, but it's important to be patient. The benefits of meditation accumulate over time, so be kind to yourself and trust the process. Integrating meditation into your daily life. Morning routine. Start your day with a short meditation session to set a positive tone. Morning meditation can help you approach the day with a calm and focused mindset. Mindful breaks. Take short meditation breaks throughout the day to reset your mind. Whether it's a few deep breaths at your desk or a quick walk outside, these breaks can improve your productivity and reduce stress. Evening wind down. Use meditation as part of your evening routine to unwind and prepare for sleep. A few minutes of meditation before bed can help clear your mind and promote restful sleep. Meditation is a powerful tool for supporting mental health. By incorporating meditation into your daily life, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your emotional well-being. Remember, meditation is a personal practice, so take the time to find what works best for you and make it a regular part of your routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Purely Health Tips for more practical health advice. Have you tried meditation before? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below, and let's support each other on our journeys to better mental health.